I'm Tammy Algood with the Department of Agriculture, and I want to show you a really easy, delicious way to cook with wine. I took some regular dry pasta, and you can take any shape of pasta that you want, and I cooked it in equal portions of water and red wine. Now you're going to notice that it's changed the color of the pasta a little bit, and it's almost made it look like whole wheat pasta. Delicious. So in essence, what we've done is infused the pasta with the wine flavor. So make sure you use a wine that you like. Okay, so I've cooked it, drained it, and I'm leaving that to the side for just a minute. And I've taken just a couple of tablespoons of olive oil that I'm heating in a skillet, a pretty large skillet. I'm going to add about 3 or 4 peeled and minced pieces of garlic that we're going to add to that. You can leave them as big or make them as tiny as you want to. Then we're going to add a liberal portion of salt. Add a little bit more than you think that you need in there. Then I'm going to add some pepper to that and some cayenne to give it just a little bit of kick. Okay, now when I drained the pasta, I reserved the cooking liquid because it's delicious. So what I've done is I've poured that into this container, and I'm going to add about 1/4 of a cup of that reserved cooking liquid to this pan. Okay, so I'm just going to add that in there. Then I've got what is about 1/4 of a cup of the wine that I used to cook the pasta in, and I'm going to add it to this pan as well. And what I'm going to do is allow this to come to a boil, and I'm just going to let it cook down so that concentrates the flavors, and this is going to be our gravy for our pasta. So after this is cooked down, it's going to take probably about 3, maybe 4 minutes on medium-high heat. You're going to have a consistency of liquid that looks like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is pour this over the pasta. Okay, so this is our cooked down liquid, and the pasta is still warm, so I'm just going to pour that over the top of it. And as you can see, it's pretty brown right now. So what we're going to do is perk this up with some parsley. If you don't want to use parsley, you can use any herbs that are going crazy in your herb garden right now. So I have chopped a mixture of parsley and basil, and see, it instantly comes alive with the herbs on there. So I'm going to do a liberal sprinkling of fresh herbs, and then I've toasted some chopped walnuts that we're going to add to that to give it just a little bit of crunch. And then we're going to finally end up with a sprinkling of fresh Parmesan, and you have got a lovely dinner. Of course, serve it with the wine that you cooked the pasta in, and you will love this. So utilize your wine, utilize your food together, and come and see us at the Toast of Jackson Fine Art and Wine Festival.